Yo, what is good, everybody? I hope y'all having a great day, morning, night, evening, whatever time you're watching this. I hope your day is going well. I hope y'all gonna have a great day, great night, end it, however, whatever. As you read in the title, right? We got a call from the car insurance, and it's gonna shock some of y'all. It's going to shock me, of course. Shocked me. But we're about to head to Tan Auto in this rain. I don't even feel like driving in the rain. I hate the rain because in Virginia there are already bad drivers, and then when it starts raining, they just turn worse. But anyways, we about to head over there, drop the car off to get it fixed. And I will tell y'all the story when I get my rental car about what the car insurance said and the whole process that's gonna be going on. And yeah, I'll see y'all when we're there.
Yeah. We don't have the paperwork, so we have the claim number. So
I get it from you.
okay.
All right, I'll walk out with you, man. We'll go around.
All right.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
So you have a rental?
Nah, I was gonna go up to Enterprise. I gotta just find a way to get up there.
Okay, so we'll call them. I have them pick you up here.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
But yeah, it's right there.
Mainly, only reason why I'm out here is to see if you have any other damages. But I can see this is going to be two new doors. You're going to get a new fender.
Yeah, right here it's kind of dented in.
That'll probably be a new one. Probably a little damage on that post. We'll know once we get it all torn apart.
Yeah. Also, when I put the window down,
You see?
yeah, like if I even put it down like right here, it's going to unlock the door and ajar the door. So that's why we got the zip tie on it.
Okay. So nothing on the wheels?
Nah.
See the little bit right there.
Yeah.
That's not part of it. See right here? Yeah, that's got to be part of it. See it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to be part of it. So you fix that wheel.
I don't think this will, because damage didn't get.
Yeah, I don't
all
see
the way up
nothing
this
on this wheel. It's pretty clean other than that.
Yeah.
Alright, that'll work. I'll get Enterprise on their way, man.
All right, sounds good. Go through that.
Just make sure you leave the key with you.
Yeah.
If you need to get anything out, the Enterprise, you can move whatever over, just leave the key up here.
Okay, I will.
Peter, did you call that first?
All right, so we are here at Enterprise, getting my rental car. Right now, it looks like this will be my car. For a while now, this will be my car. And I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it's small as fuck, but you know, not bad. Good gas mileage, you know, because you know with Enterprise you gotta, you know, pay. What's it called? You know, you gotta put the gas back in the car and stuff. And you know, I ain't trying to, you know, put too much money in it. So, all right, I'll be back with the story. Hold on. Right there, and
That's up there, yeah. So when I mark this down, it actually gets the whole bumper.
yeah.
Or the whole back side, so I'll go ahead and put all that in there for you. Got that mark down there.
Yeah. I think that part is like just a smudge or something.
Right here, yeah.
Yeah.
So if it's something like that, we're okay with. Yeah,
Gotcha.
something small like that. Alrighty. Walk in here. Like small stuff
Yeah,
like that, we're okay with.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gotta be pretty well through the paint or plastic if it's a scratch.
Yeah. That's good.
Cool. Alright, well other than that, I'm not really seeing much of you.
No, there's a lot of bugs
Small
on the
stuff,
bumpers and stuff.
Alright, let me go ahead and grab the mouse. You'll be here real quick. We'll go over a few things and you'll be on your way.
That sounds good. All right, people. We are here with... damn, how you put this shit down? Oh, Lord. No. Oh, you know what? I ain't gonna fuck around and possibly break anything in this car. Do need to scoot the fuck up. Short as fuck, dog. See that high as a bit skihead over here, bro. All right, so I gotta start putting the key back in the ignition, man. Damn, man, just cause the lady live on the damn road, how you not know? So basically what's going on is
96.3 WHUR's community.
Damn, no more Bluetooth. Oh, they got an aux cord, but guess who don't have an aux cord? All right. Wait, do they have Bluetooth? Audio? Oh, they do got Bluetooth. Okay. So we straight. All right. So basically, let me start with the insurance part. They called and, you know, I gave them the story again. You know, the guy apologized for calling so late because he was sick and just getting back into the office and whatnot. Gave him the story. He said he talked to the lady's insurance and basically we're, I guess, both at fault, but what it is Progressive is going to be paying for mine. That's who I'm insured by. My car insurance is going to pay for me. Her car insurance is going to pay for her car, and it is what it is, because basically they came to an agreement that it's hard to find out who's really at fault, because the witness said we both came to a stop and she said we both left at the same time. But if you remember the story that I told y'all, matter of fact, I'm gonna leave a link up here, all right, and y'all can, you know, make y'all judgment yourself. I wish they stopped beeping this fucking horn. So yeah, my insurance is paid for my car, her insurance is paid for her car. They said they can't really find out, tell whose fault it really is, because the witness said, oh, they both stopped and they both left at the same time, and you know, it's crazy, man. I honestly hate living out here, because for the simple fact that people can't drive, and it's completely ridiculous, man. And then, like, how do I get you in front of you at the stop sign? How do I get in front of you and then you proceed to go and then you smash into me? Like, and then I wish, like, the two red cars that I was telling y'all that was on the opposite side of the intersection, I wish they would have just stayed and said what, you know, because you're a fucking witness, you know, you're a witness to a situation. But you know, people don't really want to, you know, deal with cops and stuff. It is what it is. But you know, if you have a dash cam or a GoPro, you know, or if you don't have one, please invest in one for situations like that. But yeah, the auto shop. So I'm without my girl for 2 weeks, possibly 2 weeks. You know, they gotta find the parts and stuff like that. You know, get it ordered, get it in. Once they get it in, you know, then they'll be able to put it on, and say he'll try to get it done as fast as he can. Hopefully they get it done soon, because 2 weeks, man, 2 weeks without my girl. I mean, driving in this will, but it's much better than driving in Carmen and constantly getting weird looks. Like on my way to the auto shop, why the fuck would you park right in front of me? All right, on my way to the auto shop, there's a dude that lived down the street on the corner. He just so happens to be getting out of his car, and he just so happened to be, I don't know why he walked to the back of his car and then stopped and then looked at my car, but you know, this man was looking at my car from like 200 feet away, and then like he just stopped, like he was fiddling with his keys and stuff. Like, bro, I can see you looking at the corner of your eye. All right, I can see it. Just make it obvious. But anyways, I'm rambling. End of the story is, or long story short, each other's car insurance is going to pay for the respective person. So mine is paying for mine, hers is paying for hers. I'm gone with my car for 2 weeks. Man, can't even have sex in this car. But anyways, when I get an update, I'll see y'all on the next one. I hope y'all have a great day, evening, night, whatever. Be safe. It's gonna rain for the next 4 days if you're here in Northern Virginia, which is crazy. But I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm out.